Hello friends, I am Colonel Bhupender Singh Rehal and I welcome you to Unacademy Shaurya. The fact that you are watching this video tells me that you are keen to become a defense officer. That is your dream, that is your goal. So here I am to help you in taking you from where you are to this nice place. The building here is Sudan block of National Defense Academy. I have chosen it because it represents all the three services. So whether you want to go for Air Force, Army, Navy, in any of the other academies, I have chosen this because it represents all three. And I want to make your journey as easy as possible. So here I am going to bring to you a course on interview strategy and preparation. This is a very important aspect in the SSB, and I'll be taking you through it step by step and in detail. The course will be starting from 2nd of July. Now, what I will be giving you is a perspective which you may not be having. You see, now we have one perspective, that of a candidate, and I have been a candidate. I got through for ND, and through ND I have done my training. After that 32 years of service I have put in, during which I have been a GTO, so I'll be able to give you a perspective of an assessor too. I have been a joint director of officer selection, and I have also been director recruiting. I'll also give you a perspective from a third point of view, that is from a mentor's point of view, a trainer's point of view. I have been training students for the defense forces. I'm providing personality development training, self-management training, behavioral skills training, which all of you sums down to what the armed forces need. I have been training candidates at various academies. I have been director at SSB Short Academy too. And so this perspective of the trainer, I'll be able to give you. You just seen the girl who has just passed out from Air Force Academy, how happy she was. So this came basically through my experience as an assessor and as a trainer, because trainer needs are slightly different from that of an assessor. So that is what I want to provide you. So in this course, I'll be covering what the SSB is looking for, what are leadership qualities, so-called OLQs, what is the, I mean, in general, an overview of the interview process. I will teach you how to complete your personal information questionnaire, PIQ form, which a lot of people keep asking me. Hobbies, interests, the difference between them, extracurricular activities, and there's a column of have you held any position of responsibility. So all these things at times leave the students confused. So I'll be helping you out there. I will be telling you what is the interviewing officer looking for. That is very, very important. I'll be telling you about non-verbal skills. Verbal skills तो हम करते रहते हैं, non-verbal skills, and special time for body language. I'll be telling you how to develop skills to answer the CIQ. You know what are the generally called rapid fire questions, comprehensive information questionnaire. I'll cover it in two parts. I will explain to you and make you understand what are the other types of questions, what are they looking for through them. The situational questions, I'll put you through them and how to answer them. I'll tell you what kind of dress and etiquette you have to follow. and of course the conference procedure. And I'm sure that by the end of it, you will be very, very confident to face any kind of interview, not only the SSB. So you can use this a code to get discount. It will enable you to get 10% discount, COLREHAL. Using this, you can renew your subscriptions as well as you can take a subscription for the plus courses for the defense. Now the advantage is that whichever category you have opted for, you can attend the classes of any of the trainers and mentors. So a vast bank of knowledge is available to you. So see you on 2nd of July. The complete training program will be there. You can have a look at that and plan accordingly. Classes will be there on every alternate day for 90 minutes so that जो खाया वो हजम करने का भी टाइम मिल जाए. So thank you very much. जय हिंद. And I can assure you आपका टाइम आएगा, आ गया. Thank you.